Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to log out of YouTube account from other devices on your iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to YouTube. Then in the top right corner, click on your profile. Here, click Manage your Google account. And then I'm gonna go to the side. Security. Scroll down. Find your Devisic. Here, click Manage all Devisic. And we go to a page like this. And it shows all the devices that have ever logged into our account. If we want to select any of them and you want to log out, we click. Then we click Sign Out, and then we click Sign Out again. After that, we can sign out of our YouTube account on other devices. If you liked this video and helped, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thank you all for watching who watched the video to the end. Thank you all. Goodbye.